We actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. Hey guys, it's General Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Another awesome unboxing video. Me. Alright. Today is finally the Allure unboxing for February. I'm actually surprised I already got it. I'm telling you, I'll get it the last day of the freaking month. They're always super late. But anyways, here is the February Allure box. But it comes like this. And now they started putting everything in bags. So we have our brochure, which I'm not going to look at, but it does have everything in here, along with the retail prices of everything, which we'll go over as I pull it out. This is a $25 gift from Gorjana with a code Allure25, so you can get that if you want. And this is a black bag. Last month was red and this month is black, so I wonder if they're just going to keep doing these bags or what. But I'm not a big fan of the vinyl see-through bags, but you know, whatever. So let's see what's in this month. So to start off, we have the Bro Gal in the color brown hair. Hold on, what? Tinted brow gel with microfibers. This is Brown Hair 02. Like, they couldn't come up with a better name. The Instant Brown Hair 2. Interesting. Alright, well, this is what it looks like. So it's just like a little wand, like a little spoolie type thing, which is actually, let's see. Huh. Alright, so this is actually really good for me because my brow hairs are blonde. So it would be cool, I've never had anything like this, to be able to darken them up, to actually darken the hairs and not just underneath of the hairs, which is kind of what normally happens. But yeah, so this is pretty cool. Alright, so this retails for $22. Very good. Alright, the next thing we have in here is the Mahmoud Petal Spa Oil to Foam. Now, the only thing I'm wondering is normally there is a pump or something when, you know, like the soaps that you get that make them foam. So I don't know how this is going to turn into a foam without the pump. So I don't know. And it's in rose. Oh. That smells just like rose. Like, it is a very popular scent. It's been going on for a couple of months now. We've been getting a lot of rose type stuff. But this just says you apply and roll on your face gently. Roll on your face? Well, there's not a roller, so I don't know how you do that. Apply a little water to make a rich lather. Massage and then wash off. An oil cleansing foam for quick and easy cleansing. Easy cleansing that gently dissolves makeup with oil. Makeup? So it's like a, I don't know, makeup remover thing? Maybe? Okay. Alright, so this goes for $21. That's pretty cool. I like it. Alright, this thing, I wish I would have known about this before I just bought a brand new one. I just got a new, this is the Wander Beauty. Now, I just bought a new unlashed mascara because I love Wander Beauty's mascara. But this is the Mile High Club. This is for volume and length. So that is right here. And I'm not going to open it because I don't need another one to be opened right now. But that's what it looks like. And this retails for $26. So that is super awesome. I love their mascara. I feel like there's like you're either for it, you either love it or you hate it. So I'm one of the ones that love it. Alright, the next thing is Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. Everyone's pretty much getting the same things this month from what, I don't know if there's any variations or what. But this is metallic eyeshadows. So this is so cute. It's like the size of like a regular single shadow, but it somehow they fit 3 of them in here. How neat is that? This is awesome and perfect for travel purposes. This one is gorgeous. That red, wow, that's Alrighty, well it looks good on my finger, and then when I go to put it on, it kind of loses the pigment. You gotta put it on there. You gotta do a couple layers to get you some color on there. But this retails for $15. Alright, next we have Mally. This is in the color Orchid. It's a high shine liquid lipstick. And this retails for $21. Where to buy it? QVC.com. That's hilarious. QVC is alrighty. So yeah, this is Mally in the color Orchid. I love the pink color, but I'm not gonna open it because I may be putting this in a giveaway. So yeah. Alright, the next thing is a brush. This is cute. I don't have anything like this. Not this size. I have a bigger one, but not a small one like this for shadows. And I don't have this brand either. This is called the Triad Eye. It's all gold. This is the Moda Metallics Triad Eye Brush, and this actually goes for $4.99, so it's $5. There you go. It's like a little angle to it, so that would be actually really good for getting in that corner. I think that'll work really good for that. That is very cool. I like it. It's triangle at the top. Oh crap. I caught it. Alrighty, and then the very last thing, which is the biggest thing, this is another Mamode product. This is, again, a rose-scented item, and is Flower Lab Essence Mask. So this retails for $7, and it just says that it has hyaluronic acid, and some other stuff, and a serum type essence that hydrates and leaves skin texture moisturized and revitalized. So very good, another rosy thing, so that's gonna be nice. So to recap, we actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. Like, that's pretty good to get 7 things in a box. Like, that's good stuff. So Allure is a $15 a month box. Your first month is $10, so if you do want to get your own or are interested, I will have a sign up link below. But yeah, so this is the Mamode mask. You get the Model Co eyeshadows. You get Wander Beauty mascara. The Mamode cleansing foam stuff. And then brow gel. The Mally lip gloss stuff. And a brush. So how cool is that? All of this for 15 bucks. Pretty good. And these are all full-size products, of course, except for this one, which I'm sure is just a smaller version. But that's pretty good. So I hope you guys do give it a big thumbs up, thumbs up. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos. And I'll see you on my next one. Okay, bye.